How would you live your life if money was no object? Would you travel more? Get a beach house and dip your toes in the surf as much as you want? Maybe outsource some of the tiresome household tasks you have to do so you can focus more on family time. Or breathe a sigh of relief that your kids' college costs are covered. If you're like most people, you're working hard but just getting by. Or your income comes with too much stress and not enough time to enjoy it. Most jobs make you work 40+ hours a week for 40 years before you can retire. To break free of the job cycle and experience true financial freedom, you need a plan. One that gives you flexible hours, a fun team, work-life balance, and a paycheck that puts you first. With the right plan, you can stop worrying about the future and start living life the way you've always wanted. That's where Touchstone Essentials comes in. A company with a plan for real change that's making news for its exclusive organic products, a generous gift card program, innovative digital marketing system, and rewarding compensation at every level, giving you the tools to develop your own financial freedom rather than someone else's. When you partner with Touchstone Essentials as an affiliate plus, you gain a business without the hassle, high risk, or startup costs of a franchise. With Touchstone Essentials, you set your own goals and work at your own pace with the full support of an advanced digital marketing system in the global $183 billion direct sales industry. It's a turnkey business plan where you can earn life-enhancing recreational income or life-changing replacement income, all on your terms. Don't have experience or never had your own business before? Don't worry. Everything you need to succeed is at your fingertips. With Touchstone Essentials, you get your own e-commerce site, gift cards to give, and digital resources, all on day one, making it easy to build your business. All you have to do is follow the Touchstone Essentials marketing system. Watch the products you share have life-changing results, and you can have greater financial freedom. How big your business grows is up to you. Simply follow the plan to get where you want to go. Touchstone Essentials earning system is superior through 9 ways to earn. Each bonus center builds on the next, so you have a real ladder to financial success. The first bonus center is Retail Bonus. Touchstone Essentials products are world-class, shipping to over 60 countries, and are the foundation for a strong business. When you buy products at the discounted Affiliate Plus pricing and sell at retail in person, you keep the profits. Or refer people to your e-commerce store to buy, and we'll ship it and pay you the profits. Easy. The second bonus center is Referral Bonus. When you refer people to the products, we also reward you with a referral bonus. When someone joins your team as an Affiliate Plus, affiliate, or customer, we pay you a 25% bonus on your first order points, paid weekly. But we go beyond the first order. With Touchstone Essentials, you get that bonus on all the orders they place in the first 90 days. Even if they order 5 times, you still get referral bonus on every order. The more products they purchase, the greater your bonus. And when you have Advantage status, meaning you joined as an Affiliate Plus with 100 points of product, you get even more. At Advantage status, you get the 25% on your personal referrals, and you get 10% on the people they refer, called your second-level referrals. You also get 5% on the people they refer, known as your third-level referrals. This creates a leveraged income right out of the gate. The third bonus is Residual Bonus. Building a team of people who share common goals and purpose is where your long-term earning potential begins. After the first 90 days of your team's orders being paid through referral bonus, all orders are paid through Residual Bonus. As your team volume grows, you achieve rank milestones. Each rank unlocks new levels of volume, with a month-after-month payout from 5% to 9%. Best of all, the Touchstone Essentials Residual Smart Plan is designed to pay you the most where you have the most volume. This smart system pays you on all volume and levels. This is a big difference from binary or two-leg plans, which at best will only pay you on less than half your sales volume. Don't you think you should get paid on all of your sales? We think so. That's why our Uni-level plan pays on everyone as your team grows. The fourth bonus is Advanced Referral Bonus. So, how would you like to take the 5% residual bonus on your first level all the way up to 15%? Once you have 10 or more people you personally referred, purchasing 50 in product volume in the month, you got it! With Advanced Referral Bonus, you can triple the first level payout on your personal enrollments every month. The fifth bonus is Rank Advancement Bonus. Remember how we talked about residual bonus and how levels are unlocked based on your rank? Well, there are extra rewards for achieving ranks, and the great thing is that this bonus is for people just starting out. The one-time Rank Advancement Bonus is available to regional managers, national managers, and directors, achieving the new rank for 2 months, so that your new business can generate positive cash flow fast. The sixth bonus is Star Bonus. Available to Affiliate Pluses with Advantage status, the Star Bonus elevates your rank to an even greater level. Starting at the National Manager level, when you build your team and grow your business stronger within your rank, you get extra one-time Star bonuses that can be a real game changer to start living your dreams. These bonuses start at $500 for Star National Manager, go to $10,000 for Star National Director, and all the way up to $75,000 for Star National Executive. We even throw in a Tesla Model S for Star Ambassador. Now you have lots of reasons to reach for the stars. The seventh bonus is Team Builder Bonus. Touchstone Essentials believes that success is a team effort. When your team succeeds, you are also rewarded. When someone you've personally enrolled earns one of the 3 rank advancement bonuses, you get a 100% matching bonus. What they earn, you earn. That adds up to an extra $1,400 in bonuses for each person that you help lead to the director level. The more people who advance on your team, the more you are rewarded. With a 100% bonus match, being a leader doesn't just feel good, it's good business. The 8th bonus is Royalty Bonus. The Royalty Bonus is where recurring leadership income really kicks into gear, as you earn a percentage of what your team members earn. Once you achieve the rank of Director, you can earn royalties, which are a percentage of the residual bonuses of your personally enrolled team members, month after month. Let's take a look at an example. Sarah has grown her team and is now at the Director level. As a Director, Sarah earns a 20% royalty bonus on the residual bonus of her first-level personally enrolled team members. In this example, John earned $500 in residual bonus, and Sarah will also get a royalty bonus of 20%, or $100. And Jana earned $1,000 in residual bonus, so Sarah also gets 20% of that, or an extra $200. The more team members you personally enroll, the greater your earning potential. And as you grow your business, your royalty bonus grows too, extending beyond your personal enrollments up to 5 levels. As Sarah advances, she'll access a 10% bonus on her second level and 5% on levels 3, 4, and 5. As your business builds over time, Royalty Bonus becomes a wealth generator that lets you truly live like royalty. The ninth bonus is Infinity Bonus. Once you've reached the highest rank of ambassador, you earn the Infinity Bonus, an extra 1 or up to 2% paid on your entire sales organization, down to the next qualified ambassador. True to its name, the possibilities are infinite. Just like the possibilities are infinite with Touchstone Essentials. Touchstone Essentials has set its sights on touching the lives of millions of families with goodness. Whether it's through people experiencing the products, community outreach, or financial health, Touchstone Essentials is making a difference around the globe. Think about how these 9 ways to earn with a Touchstone Essentials business could make a difference in your life. From life-enhancing recreational income to life-changing replacement income. Really, it's up to you. If you're striving for a better life, our plan can help you get there. Now is the time to start creating the future you want to live. Build a good life with Touchstone Essentials.